Hi, so here I'm gonna try to code out and explain, hopefully, um, merge sort in JavaScript. So basically, merge sort is an algorithm that takes an array, let's say, of 90, 80, 70, 75, 90, 35. That array eventually gets split up all the way to its base value by halves. So it starts off with this half, or actually, yep, this half as the left side and this half as the right side. And then eventually starts halving it down all the way to the basics, which is 90 here. And then that's when it's sorted. So when it's sorted, then the merge takes the left side of the half and combines it with the right side of the half. So eventually it goes through a few recursions just to solve this problem. It's pretty elegant in the way it goes about it. So let's try to start it off. So there's a function that sort of starts splitting it in half. Let's call it function merge sort, and it takes an array and what it does with that array, if it is at its base case, so if my array equals to actually no, so my array dot length equals to 1, that means this is the base case. Base case and is sorted. So basically, when it's at 90 by itself, it's sorted. You basically return my array. Alright. But if it isn't sorted, this is where we split it up. So basically, my array dot length divided by 2 math dot floor. So we just want the midpoint. Midpoint equals to this. So when we have the midpoint, we split it into the left side and the right side. So left side equals to my array, and my array going from there is dot splice, not splice, slice the start number and the end number. Okay. Start number is 0, obviously. The end number is midpoint. And then the right side equals to my array dot slice midpoint through So once we have both the left side and the right side here, so the first iteration basically, let's just draw the array first. Why did I erase the first part? My input array equals to, let's go back to 90, 80, 70, 50. Let's go 77, 88, and then go to 20. Let's go 10, 20, right? So this is an array. My input array. So the first is going to split up the left side and the right side. So the left side is going to be here. And then the right side is going to be here. And it's going to keep on slicing it down. So basically, eventually it's going to go 90, 80 on its first iteration. And then the next one is going to be 70, 50, and then this next one is going to be like 80, and then this is going to be 90. So when it gets down to the left side, all the way down here, it's going to be 90 basically. At least the ending is hoping. And then it's going to be sorted. And 80 is going to be sorted. At which point it's going to be, let's see, left sorted equals to merge sort left side. Right sorted equals to merge sort right side. Yep. Zero. Okay, so now once it gets it sorted, which is 90, and then it goes on to the next side, which is the right side, which is 80. And once that comes back, it's going to come back as 80, 90 into here. And then it's going to figure out with the 70, 50, it's going to go through the whole thing again. So then we're going to call the next one, which is return merge left sorted right sorted, which is pretty elegant as the next solution of the next function merge sorts, or actually, oops, let's see. Nope. Merge, well, we can call it whatever we want, right? Merge. Basically, this merge function takes in left sorted right sorted, and sorts it even more by combining them into one array, and which is the merge array. We're going to initialize it here. Okay. So basically the end is going to return merge array. And now we're gonna take a look at how we're gonna do that, in which case we're just gonna basically do let's just do some more comments here, I suppose. So when it's first sorted, then it's gonna be 80, 90, and then it's gonna compare it to 50, 70. And here we're gonna, let's see, merge sort left and right. So while left, let's see, the length of left sorted does not equal to 0, or the length the length or right sorted dot length does not equal to 0. Let's just also make sure and okay, so basically as long as there's some values in here, we're going to continue sorting it. So in either array. So if let's see, what are we doing? If, let's see, left sorted dot length equal to 0, so that means the left side is empty, but right side has some values, some sorted value left, it should just append to merge array. So if the left side is empty, so basically merge array dot push Okay, so merge arrays push, we're going to push in the right sorted. Alright. If right sorted dot length equals to 0, which is the opposite case basically, then we're going to do merge array dot push left sorted. Okay, so this is actually else if basically. Otherwise, else if, now we're going to test for these values, basically else if left sorted, the first value is greater than right sorted, the first value. If that's the case, right sorted is smaller, so merge array dot push right sorted right sorted the first value, but that should be either shift removes the first element of an array and returns it. Okay, so that's correct. So it looks like it's correct. Else if the other side, right sorted 0 is greater than, actually no. I'm confused. Let's just do this. Left sorted 0 is less than right sorted 0. In which case we're going to merge array dot push left sorted dot shift Alright, so let's comment this out. Right side is empty, so left side is already sorted, so just add to merge array. Alright, so now compares first value if right is smaller, add to merge array. Compares first value again, but left is smaller, and add to array. So all of this is going to keep on doing it until it has nothing, at which point it's going to return it and go from there. Here goes nothing. Let's see. So merge inputs, merge. This is my input array. So let's do merge sort. My input array. Actually, I actually want to see it. Let's see. Console.log. Alright, let's save it. try to go through it. Let's do, was it node js2.js? Okay. I think I broke something. Did I miss something? Let's see. Let's see what goes on. Let's see if this goes through here. Merge sort. This looks fine. Let's see function. If my array length is 1, that means the final array, which is fine. Let's see, what am I missing? Let's see, the merge one. Let's see, merge. Well, left sorted that length is not equal to 0. It should be running through it as long as it's not equal to 0. Push. Ah, I see. Right sorted equals that. Left sorted equals that. We're emptying out the arrays. Emptying out the arrays so it will exit the while loop. Otherwise, it will loop forever, but the machine killed it. Let's see. It's now. Oh, it's still looping. Huh. What am I missing? What am I missing? Function merge sort array actions merge sort. If the length equals to that. Let's see, where am I? It seems it's stuck at 18. What is this? Right, empty out. Okay. It is emptying it out. So what is keeping it? Okay. Let's start debugging. Let's see if starts off with 90. Let's see, where are we at? Merge array. Merge array. What? Something is weird. The type values are not aligned. Where does that come from? Let's see. What am I? Let's see. If it's not aligned, then it has to do with. I think here. Actually, let me just see what these values are. Start debugging. Okay. My array, I want to see what we're looking at. My array is 90. Okay. Again. It's 80. Okay. All right. Let me see what left sorted looks like. Right sorted 90 and 80. Okay. 90 and 80 is going to go through that list. Yep. 90 and 80 is going to go there. And because left is 90, so that's going to run. It's going to push. Merge array is 80, of course. Left is not 0. This is 0. This is sorted. Alright, so now so it's pushed in. Yes, that's probably why. Before I empty it out, push, let's see, push is, no, dot slice all of them elements. Dot slice all of the elements. that should hopefully do it. Still. Let's see, what am I missing? Yep. Alright, so let me see. Actually, we can see, let's see. Alright, that's a lot of stuff. It's still the whole value. Because it's putting an array within an array. If it's not slice, what is it? Let's see. It has to be concatenate. Okay, so it's concat. Okay, concat. That would be a problem. Alright, let's try it again. What? Oh, it doesn't like change the existing array, so let's see, it has to be slice or splice. Let's see, splice, let's see. What is the concatenate one? It has to be sliced then. That means I'm not using it properly somehow. So animal slice 2. not slice, because slice doesn't do anything. Pop, let's see, pop. Concat. Okay, so it is concat, but then I have to do that. So it is concat. So let's see. Merge array equals to that. So I'm just setting it up. Merge array equals to concat. Alright, let's see. No? Alright, which part is it? Alright, what does it look like now? Let's see. Merge array. It is correct. Sorted, right, sorted, it's empty. Alright, so the next one, it's empty out, fine. Alright, returns it. Why does it return 9080? What? What is going on? What is going on? Alright, let's see what it returns about. Alright, we're gonna go here, we're gonna skip. Alright, we're gonna skip that, we skip that, skip that. Alright. What? Wait, how big is this array? 90, 80, 70, 50. Okay. I must have not split it up correctly then. Let's see, what am I doing wrong? Yeah. Alright, let's see, what am I doing wrong? Okay. Let's see what the left side looks like. 90, 80, 70, 50, correct. And let's see what the right side looks like. It's correct. Okay. Okay, I'm following so far. Okay. Alright, 90, 80. Okay, I'm following, alright. Right side, I'm following. Alright, now I'm not following. 90. Wait, let's see what the slice says. Let's see, Javascript slice. Does it include the last number? And not included. Okay. So merge array is 90, 80. Okay. Both of them are empty. So I should return 80, 90. It is 80, 90. Okay. The slicing has to be off. The splicing has to be off somehow. Wait, what is going on here? Let's see. Left side. Right side. My array. Wait, so why does it keep on getting passed? What is midpoint, man? What? Let me see. Let's see what the hell's going on. I don't see this midpoint is jacking it up, but I have no idea why is it jacking it up. It goes keep on going. Or sort. Oops. Okay. Why did it only just sort the beginning? Is it because, let's see. I don't think that matters because that's that. It has something to do with the length. Let's see what this tells me. Let's see what I can watch. Mid point, left side, right side, my array, merge array. Okay, instead of littering this thing up, let's see what gets here. Alright. Alright, midpoint is 4. Midpoint is 4. That's correct. Okay, so after pausing the video, what I've learned is I should not pollute the global location. So what I did was, all I did pretty much was make sure this was changed to let, and then so what was happening was the global scope was being polluted, basically. And it was keeping the values for everything and not properly, so therefore as it was going through each one, it was sort of like doing a mesh of both worlds from things it shouldn't do. That's one lesson I've learned. So, and as you can see, it works now. That only took me an extra 20 minutes. Boy, was that painful. But I learned something, so I guess that's the whole point. The basic algorithm of it works pretty much the same way. Nothing's changed, but I've learned a few things about JavaScript that's different from Python, which is a good thing, I suppose. Thank you.